Okay, boys and girls, now that you have your painted papers completed, you are going to spend a little bit of time sketching out your emojis that you're going to be using for your print. Okay, so I have folders that look like this. They say emojis, table numbers on them, with a whole bunch of emojis printed out on there. So you guys can use these as a reference for sketching your emojis. This is the sketch paper. So you can see I've spent a little bit of time already and drawn out some emojis for you. Now I have some little tools available to help you guys. We want to try to, and you only need one, okay, just one emoji that you really like. But you know, you could sketch 2, 3, or all 4 if you'd like. You want to make them as big as you can and as crisp and clear as you can with the outlines. So something that will really help you make sure that they're the right size is getting that circle, if that makes sense for your emoji, to be like this nice good size for this square that you guys are sketching in. So to help you draw that circle, I have some cups. They're little pink cups like this. They are like the perfect size circle. So I'll have these out on your tables. You can set them down, trace around them with a pencil, and then start drawing your emojis. You are more than welcome to design your own unique emoji if you would like to come up with one. You could maybe take one that you see on here and change it a little bit, or if you want to come up with a completely original one, that's totally fine too. Some of the emojis that are on here might be a little too complicated for this project. So I have these printed out in black and white because your prints will end up being just done with black ink. So you don't want to be thinking about color for the emoji part, right? They're going to be black and white, okay? So simple. I would say like something like this salad bowl. If you're interested in doing one that's food related, that's too complicated. I would really stay away from that one. The ones that ended up being the most successful last year were the most simplistic and graphic looking emojis. Okay, so that means crisp, clear lines and shapes. So you can totally do something that's food, or you know, one of these types of faces or hand. We had a couple of really cool hand positions last year too. You're more than welcome to do one of those. Just the clearer that you do it, the better. Like some of these little sporting ones are really, really small. Okay, I would not suggest doing some of these sporting ones, but you know, something like this, the microphone would probably work. Yeah, so simple. All right, so here are my sketches. Not only did I use the pink cup for these, even if you have something like, let's say, the panda bear, you might draw a circle on your sketch paper with a cup to start and then change it from there. So this could just help you like get a good size started. Like I did that for my cat head. I traced the cup and then I erased the bottom of it and I gave it a little chin and then added in my features. Okay, I also have some other stencils that I'll let you guys use. So I have some other little circle stencils that could be very helpful for you. I have other shapes. Okay, so I'll have these out on the table along with the pink cup to help you sketch. All right, once you're done with your sketches, you're gonna pick your absolute favorite design that you are then gonna be making into a print. So we have to get this design onto a printing plate. So these are little foam plates that we're gonna use to get your design on here, and think of them like a stamp, okay? So it's basically like you're designing your own stamp using this little foam plate. So we're gonna get your emoji designs transferred onto here in kind of a fancy way. So like I said, pick your absolute most favorite one, and then pay attention for the next step.